Good morning, y'all, and welcome to the vlog. This week, we're on a trail network again. It's in Ocala, Florida. It's called the Blackwater Creek.
I'm Dre, and this is Keep It Class C. I want to introduce you to my channel, where I am a TSR rep for a local vegetable seed company, and I want to take you along on my travels, and along the way, hike some fantastic trails. Looks like this trail system is about a 6-mile loop, so shouldn't take too long, maybe an hour and a half. Then we'll be off again. Welcome to Black Creek Nature Preserve, located here in Ocala, Florida. This trail network is definitely one of the nicest, well-maintained nature preserves in Florida. Some of these nature preserves have a tendency to be rather poorly. But this one, it's great. Fantastic. Y'all, I've been on some really shitty trail networks here in Florida, but this is a gem. It's fantastic. Y'all need to come out and check it out. It's a fantastic morning here in Florida. It's nice and cool, not too cold, not like it was back in Christmas, but fantastic morning and a great morning for a hike. Here's the Blackwater Creek, the creek that the trail's named after. Good flow. Alright guys, I'm going to leave y'all here. Thanks for watching. If you felt like you got something out of it, consider subscribing. I'll see y'all next week.